Okay, I got some heat shrink here. This is, I got this off of Amazon. It actually has glue inside the heat shrink to just promote a better seal. So I'm just going to cut 3 small pieces like that. I'm going to run it over the top and just leaving a little bit of our bullet exposed. If you really want a good accurate measurement, of how far to go, one of the things I do is I take my ESC, just plug the bullet in there, and then I'll run the heat shrink down to where it's supposed to be, like that. So I kind of use this as a guide and get my heat gun out. Do that on the next one here. Put the heat shrink on. Plug it into our ESC. Place it where it's supposed to go. That one's done. Let's do the third one. Again, just run it over there. Plug it into the ESC. And there we go. Now we got our motor. Bullet connectors are connected. This is a little tacky still because it's still hot, so I'm gonna let it cool before I disconnect it. But that's how I basically do my bullet connectors.